We previously learned how to use SPSS to write an equation for our line of best fit or our regression line. This is done one of two ways. The first method, and probably the easiest, is just to look at your scatter plot. When you add the line of best fit, SPSS provides the equation automatically. Y equals the intercept 17.2, in this case minus, because the slope is negative, 0.21x. Keep in mind, x, or our independent variable, was the number of questions students got correct, and y, or the dependent variable, was the time spent per question. You may obtain the same information from the coefficients table in the SPSS output. Recall that we write an equation in the form y equals the intercept plus or minus, depending on the direction of the slope value with an x. Either way, you get the same results for the equation. Y equals 17.2 minus 0.21x. There's my equation right there. What do we use this for? We use this to make a prediction, or if I know the number of correct, the x variable, I can predict the y, the time it takes to complete each question. It is important to realize no prediction is 100% accurate, and we do have to take that into consideration. This is a prediction, not an absolute value. So let's take a look at making a prediction for y, and we use the primed symbol to indicate we are predicting y when x equals 8, or 8 questions were correct on this exam for this student. I'm going to use my equation and just fill in where I see the x, the value I would like to make a prediction for, in this case 8. From here, we're going to use our order of operations, some simple mathematics, and a calculator, because I don't like to multiply decimals in my head, to multiply negative 0.21 times 8 is 1.68, and then subtract 17.2 minus 1.68. My predicted time for each question for a student who got 8 questions correct is 15.52 seconds. Remember, this is only a prediction, and the higher the level of correlation, or the more strongly related two variables are, the more accurate your prediction will be. Keep in mind, we didn't have a very impressive correlation with an R-squared value of 0.03, so chances are this prediction might not be that accurate. But it does give us a starting point to determine approximately how long a student who got 8 questions correct will spend on each individual question.